You've watched every make money online video. You've tried the tips, the tutorials, maybe even bought a course or two, and yet your bank account still looks the same. Why are all these people lying? Is the game rigged, or are you just stuck in the wrong cycle? Let's talk about why you haven't made money online yet and what you need to change before you waste any more time. The first reason? You're stuck in research mode. You've been watching how to make money online for weeks, months, maybe years. But watching isn't doing. Learning is important, but you've got to stop preparing to start and actually start. Most people never do. Here's the hard truth. You don't need more information. You need more execution. Next, let's talk about shiny object syndrome. You see someone making $10,000 a month with dropshipping. You try it. Doesn't work in a week. You jump to affiliate marketing, then to Forex, then to flipping couches. You're not building, you're bouncing. Success comes from sticking with one proven method for 30 to 90 days, minimum. If you keep quitting halfway through, you're just resetting your progress every time. You might not even realize it, but fear is running the show. Fear of failing, fear of looking dumb, fear of wasting time. So instead of posting that video, launching that store, offering that service, you wait until it's perfect. Spoiler, it never will be. You have to fail fast. Messy action beats perfect planning every single time. Let me be real with you. No one owes you money just because you want to work online. If you're not solving a problem, building a skill, or providing real value, why should anyone pay you? The people making money online are doing things people need. Editing videos, running ads, selling useful products, creating content. Instead of asking, how do I make money? Ask, how can I help someone with a problem today? That shift will change everything. Look, the internet is full of opportunities. The problem isn't YouTube. It's not the courses, it's not the methods. It's the fact that most people are stuck in consumption mode instead of creation mode. But that can change today, right now. Pick one thing, one skill, one side hustle. Commit to it for the next 30 days. No switching, no excuses. You'll learn more in those 30 days of doing than in a year of watching. If this hit home, hit that like button and drop a comment telling me what you're committing to. I'll be reading everyone.